Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of the game that kickstarted one of the most iconic gaming franchises, Street Fighter I, released by Capcom in 1987. Before Street Fighter I, the fighting game scene was fairly basic. But Capcom changed everything. It introduced special command-based moves. Take Hadoken, for example. By inputting a specific joystick and button combination, players could unleash a powerful fireball. This innovation added a strategic depth that made the gameplay both exciting and challenging, setting a new standard for future fighting games. The character roster, though small with just characters like Ryu and Ken, was crucial. Each had a distinct backstory and fighting style, which became a cornerstone of the franchise. People love Street Fighter I for many reasons. Nostalgia plays a huge part. For many, it was their first taste of the thrilling Street Fighter universe. The gameplay was easy to pick up, but difficult to master, keeping players glued to arcade machines for hours, perfecting their special moves. And who can forget the global adventure? Ryu travels from the USA to Japan, England, China, Thailand. This world-spanning journey added an element of exploration and excitement. Let's quickly go through Ryu's opponents in each country. In the US, you first face Joe, a brawler with straightforward punches and kicks, dodge and counter. Then comes Mike, who's more agile. Use the Hadoken when he overextends in Japan. Retsu, a traditional martial arts master, throws precise combos. Luck can use the Tatsumaki Senpukyaku to keep him at bay. In England, there's a boxer-style fighter with quick jabs and an acrobatic one. Anticipate their attacks and disrupt with low-level moves. In China, Li, a kung fu master, has a wide attack range and good defenses. Counter his high-level attacks with the Shoryuken E. In Thailand, Adon, Sagat's Muay Thai apprentice, has dangerous, long-range kicks. Dash in to attack. And finally, Sagat, the final boss, with his powerful Tiger Shot projectile and strong close, range attacks, dodge the Tiger Shot and counter with the Shoryuken. Street Fighter I's influence on the franchise is undeniable. It established the core gameplay mechanics that were refined in Street Fighter II and expanded upon in countless sequels, spin-offs, and crossovers. So, this 3-minute video walkthrough isn't just a look at an old game. It's a celebration of the roots of a gaming legend that continues to captivate gamers worldwide. If you're into this kind of deep dive gaming content, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Uncle DIY, for more.